putting a hell of a good bead down there, Jay. Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. Going on a little field trip today. I had Jay in here earlier. Jay is son of John, nephew of the professor. He came in, he's been learning body work for a couple years at a body shop. So he works on this thing with me. Anyway, he's got a Dodge SST, a 97. Okay, the Dodge truck SST was an offshoot of the Indy pace truck. Guys, I didn't pay attention, haven't looked into it. I understand that 1996 Indy pace car was a pickup truck from Dodge. It's, what the hell, was that a white truck with blue, with pace truck stuff on the side? Very cool, I like it. I'm a second gen Dodge truck guy. Anyway, so in 97, they went ahead and did that again. And also in 98, I understand in 98, you got some more colors, black, they came white, I know, but black, red, and green, I believe. Maybe both years. They made less than, just over 6,000 of these trucks altogether. So they got a set of cool wheels for those 3 years, and the SST truck had stripes down the middle, which they were also cool. Came with a 5.9 liter, his does, maybe they all did. I don't know, we're gonna go look. But anyway, so this was the professor's truck. He was gonna get rid of it. Jay liked it, don't blame him. So he got it, but it turned out the frame was rusted out in the back. And so they got a parts truck down in Kentucky and brought it back and back halved his truck. So we're gonna go over there in a minute and see what's what. So all that being said, here we go. So you're welding up the SST.
Correct. So we started, I picked this hole here because we could get a 3/4 inch socket in there on both sides, and that would automatically locate us when we cut, cut the new one together, or put it together with the new one. So that worked out real well. And then we took 2x4 and clamped them on the inside of the bottom frame rail there, clamped it up tight so that held us flush here. So everything was good to go, and then made sure there was a gap there and welded it up, ground it back down.
Cool.
That side over there is not done yet.
So did you, you gonna have to put a doubler out here?
Yeah, I actually have there's a strap, like one of these here. This is the same thickness as the frame, so it's up underneath there. There'll be another one here and another one on the bottom.
Boxing it, that's what I was looking for. Are you gonna box it then? Here, you know, a boxing plate across, or
yeah,
no?
just, you know, just a reinforcement on all three sides, just to make sure that that's not a weak point.
Yeah. Did these trucks come with this exhaust?
No.
Okay, but that's cool.
That's
NASCAR.
That's performance.
Those are off the charger. Those tips.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is brother of the professor and nephew of the professor. You guys know Jay.
Yeah. So yeah, Jay was concerned that if he went over a railroad track, the thing's gonna want to split in half there.
It was bad.
And I said, no, on this one, when we welded, I said, Jay, look at your old one. They're like, you're worried about going over a railroad track with the new one? Look at this one.
Yeah, that's pretty crispy.
Pretty bad. Yeah. Same thing down there.
Wow.
Yeah. So she's definitely gonna be a lot better than what it is now.
So,
We had to bet off.
what do you got here? Did you lower it? You must have, huh?
Drop shackles, yeah. That should drop the ass in about 2 inches.
Okay. Because it sits up anyway, right?
Yeah. I just wanted to sit a little more level.
So back me up here. So you just located the two both pieces of frame. Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you did. Yeah.
Cut 'em, we cut them right down there. Then with our
Yeah.
the sockets that fit perfect in there, we left them in there. We put the new one up to it. That automatically located it.
And whammed them out.
Yeah, and
Once you
tacked it
weld it.
up, and yep. So that's what you see there is how it was.
Well, standing over here looks like it's a pretty even cut through there.
Yeah, it's pretty close. We cut them with leaving a little bit extra, and then I chopped them off square. Squared them up basically.
Yeah. So I was looking into these SSTs. I remember seeing them, but I didn't know anything about them. So 97, 98. And were all the 97s white?
No,
They
you
weren't.
could get them
In blue.
green, black.
Yeah, red.
Blue is the Pace trucks.
Oh, that's right.
SST. I don't
Well, that
think
was
SST
'96.
Oh, was it?
Yep.
I didn't know they made them.
And then these were only 97, 98.
Right.
I did see 98s. They only made 6,200 of these things.
Really?
Yeah, all together, 2 years.
Really?
Yeah, according to one thing on the
Wow.
internet.
See, it might be worth redoing this thing.
Yeah, that SST forum online, he's collecting all the VINs or whatever. He's got 5,000 something of them, so he's goddamn near all of them.
How about that? Those wheels are cool.
Yeah, they need redone too. That'll get redone yet.
Someday, Jay.
Yeah.
It's a process.
Yeah, get it back on the road first.
You know, you can still find fenders in these yards around here too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got new fenders for him.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me look at this interior because.
It's a mess right now.
Oh, so that is the new dash though.
That is just a dash.
98
stand,
and
but
up.
Yeah, a new style.
Yeah.
I need a new dash, yes. 'Cause this has nothing to hold on to.
Yeah.
So
And that's
Yeah,
the
that's got a
fabric
cap
in
on it.
it's
line.
got a cap on it.
On the dash pad.
Yeah.
That's why it's humped up in the middle though.
Yep.
It needs some
a new
framework
structure.
underneath it.
Yeah.
Needs a 5-speed. That's what I say.
Yeah.
You 5-speed swap it.
I love this shit. Love that. Now this should have the later trans where they take the speedo off the diff.
Yeah, that's a 48 RE. Yeah.
Because the early ones they still had the cog.
Yeah, heads up.
That's okay. So Jay, this was Jeff's truck, right? The Professor. Yeah. And these came with a 5.9 with a 360 stock.
Yeah, I think the performance
And those
part
wheels-
of it was a 391 rear end.
Oh, well, these things I understood made 245 horse too,
Oh,
versus 200 for, I don't know, yeah, something like that. These supposedly made a little more horsepower. But yeah, and the wheels are cool, which we said can't find those usually.
Yeah, they were neat trucks. I remember the first time I seen one, I was driving to work and one passed me at the Trenton 4-lane there. I was like, man, that's cool.
Yeah.
Might have been this one, I don't know.
Yeah. So was it tough getting? Just had to make sure everything was lined up. Your socket trick really did the trick, right?
Yeah, it worked awesome.
And what about getting the ASN level again?
So when we put that 2x4 here and clamped it in here, that got us pretty close already.
Yeah.
And I knew the measurement we had to have from the tube to there is 38 inches, and that stayed the same. So we kind of took a level on the frame itself up front and seen where the bubble was and made it match that down here.
Gotcha.
And
So it wasn't not so bad, huh?
no, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
And then you just use this a little bit to do your fine tuning of your level, your floor jack.
Yeah, I put the leaf springs back on last night, so I raised it up to
Oh,
yeah.
get
oh,
We had the jack
yeah.
sitting under here. Just
Yeah.
Kind of,
to
Gotcha.
raise and lower the
yeah, you can tell where
yes,
the gaps too. These are square, so if your gaps tighter up top or tighter on bottom,
Yeah.
you go up or down. You know.
Is this your first cab corner, Jay? Get good at it, man.
Yeah.
I got more work for you.
Yeah.
You see how it's on the hoist there? How it's splitting the front wheel instead of the middle of the truck?
Yeah.
I had it like the way it's supposed to go first, and I could pick up the whole back end right off the lift. I was like, oh, that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
So we had to go a little unconventional there, but it works. There's just no weight out here right now.
I'd like to clone one of these, because you can find one of these short beds somewhere. I think it'd be cool.
Yeah.
I actually have that 96 down there. That'd be, except it's patinaed. It's. Where are we here?
That's a short bed, short cab,
It
isn't it?
is, yeah. It'd work.
Yeah, that would be cool. Make a red and white one.
Yeah.
Got a brand new repainted bed down there.
Oh, really?
New old stock.
Yeah.
NOS?
NOS, yeah.
So you're gonna weld today?
Yeah.
Yep.
Get her mobile again?
Yeah, that's the plan. Try to get the fuel tank back in it, fix the fuel line that we cut when we were cutting the frame in half.
We'll do some welding. I can watch you do that. You got any ski in that fridge? No.
Yeah, there is actually.
I just had one on the way over.
Yeah, Paul bought it. Hang on. If you're gonna just pack this to the top.
Did you go bottom to top?
No,
How'd you do?
top down.
Top down. Guess it doesn't really matter where you start.
And then, yeah,
Hey, we need to weld
I would start on top and just go all the way down and stop right when you get to there.
yeah.
All right, and then the same here. You got a pretty good there, so just starting down
Did you
here.
tack weld plate on back of this one?
Yes. Yeah. You wanna do that now?
Yeah, might as well.
It's kind of running downhill, John, your pipe piece.
Is it?
Did you want it up tight against the bottom of the frame?
No, I need to keep it away from that radius. Is it level there?
Not really, but I don't know what it needs to be.
Let's see. Okay. Let's go right there, Jay.
She's cooking, man.
Nope, you ain't through it yet, Jay. I can still move this.
Oh, really?
It's getting warm there. What happened? Is there a hole there you can just tack it through?
Here, you want?
Yeah, just plug weld it there, that'd be good.
Here, Jim.
Ah, god dang, I got a shock there.
You want to cut that off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's going right through me. I'm laying on the frame. Right on this fucking fuse. God damn.
Did you get a shock? Did you get a shock?
Yeah, I did. I'm gonna try to avoid that again.
You want to put gloves on?
Yeah, I got my level there, Chucky.
Bringing the back end down is pretty good.
Hang on. Is that negative not? What's going on here?
Is it because that's not part of the frame yet, I guess?
Maybe.
Well, it's touching the frame, though.
It should be.
Looks like a roll of toothpaste to me, man.
Yep. Good penetration.
Burned her up. Well, she isn't gonna fall apart now anyway, huh? Not quite done.
How's that back look? You can see where it turned colors and everything. Good penetration. We'll load this back up as well.
This side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Looks like you got a perfect circle there. Did something right.
Yeah. Oh, here's the test. Where's the socket at? See if it says this. That better be real close.
I got some weld.
Oh, there's weld there. That's what it is. See if you're going from the back side. No, but it's close. You could bang it in there if you wanted to.
Yeah, good.
Cool. Shouldn't dog track too bad then, huh?
No, it might be, 15 thousandths maybe. Yeah, I could bang that one in too. It's ready to wanting to go.
There you go.
Sweet.
Excellent.
Yep.
Yeah,
All right, ready for, it's coming in Bowling Green then?
I'm hoping.
Are you gonna, well, I guess you kind of do the body work and stuff yet this year or what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no
Tab
question.
corners, rockers will be next. I got new fenders. Doors ready to go. Hood is done, bodywork wise. So prime it, paint it. We got that red bed, which should be straight. Hopefully we'll put it
Oh,
on
yeah,
and
it's
kind of
good.
look at it.
Cool.
I need a bumper yet. So
If anybody out there's got a sport bumper for the front of a second gen want to sell.
Jay and I know where's one at down right now in 111.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, 111's got one?
Row 52.
not 111.
Row 50, is that
Oh,
one?
row 52, that one we looked at?
Pick and pull. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops. They don't want to see my. Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. All right, man. We'll have to come back again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Burn the tires. Roast them. Roast one of them.
Right, yeah.
All right. Cool.
Yep.
How far is the turbo going to get when?
It's gonna be all black. It's gonna look as close to a Grand National as it can.
This winter yet?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Do you have a fender or are you going to put steel in?
We're gonna put steel in that
Okay.
one, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Well, I say that, but there is one of these at Reverman junkyard in Carlisle that Jeff and I are gonna. He's got all the trim and stuff spoken for. So if it's got a good one on it, we'll grab one from there. But
Now, these are these the wheels for this car?
they came on this on the Muratas, yes.
And you guys recognize that? That's the Acorn center he's got in there. That's cool.
Yeah,
That worked.
I turned the ring off of them and fit them in there. And what's funny is these are held in by 3 cap screws on the back side.
Yeah.
Same as what these wheels had originally.
Or
They lined up and everything. I was like, well, that's awesome.
Yeah, no joke. You got this because I got a set there at the house now. I inherited.
Oh, for this?
Yeah.
Really?
What'd you guys think of Jay's SST? Yeah, super sport truck. Built them for 2 years. Didn't build a lot of them. I guess people didn't order them. But anyway, I think it's cool. I'm a second gen Dodge truck guy. That's a peppy little truck, the 5.9. That one had a little more smash to it, I believe, than most of them. 245 horse or somewhere near there. I don't know. And a 392 gear in the back on that one. So yeah, she gets up and boogies down the road and boogies through the gas too, I'm sure. Second year of 98, they didn't build as many. I don't know how many, but I do know that they had a few more colors available. Blue, green, red, black, white. I don't know if you could get any more than that. I mean, what do you need, right? Those are pretty cool colors. Anyway, yeah, I'm still trucking along, sanding on this old girl, trying to get the body work done so we get her into some primer and then block it and paint it. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. That's later on Chuck problems. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for coming along today, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.